Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to cook sambal anchovies. Anchovies with bawang besar. So I'm using the leftover oil. I'm going to fry the anchovies first. And now I'm going to fry the bawang besar. Chili. Hot sweet soy sauce. Salt and Ajinomoto. And then the dried anchovies as well. I'm going to taste it first. It's not that rất ngon. Nanti aku sugar dulu, baru kita main. Already sweet. Very simple. And yet can make the type. This is sambal ikan bilis or ikan tusuk with bawang besar. Look at that. So yummy. And my next recipe is I'm going to cook egg with lobak kering, or they call it lobak potong. So first of all, fry the bawang bakung or bawang besar. Lobak batang. Kalau lobak batang atau lobak kering. Egg. Ikan tusuk. And then baju. Mix well. fried egg with lobak batang. There. Simple this one, but nice. This one also last time my childhood favorite. Look at that. So this one is called fried egg with lobak batang. Mantap. And lastly, I'm going to cook chicken goreng belacan. Chicken goreng belacan. So first of all, we fry the chicken first. Adjust your salt to fry the chicken. Mix the chicken with the salt. Because I need to salt, not too much. Because later also cook with belacan. Belacan already salty. So mix well. I already washed my hands just now. So we fry the chicken. Fry the bawang bakong and mix with bawang merah a bit. Belacan. Salt. Mana tu tomat? The belakang already salted. And then put aji. Mix well. Aji. And put some more salt. one is ayam goreng belacan.
Ako yung ang dalawa.
Okay.
I let it drink the green carpet, mommy. The green one.
Mami sakit.
Where?
The tea.
Come the tea. You are you.
So this is ayam goreng belacan. Chicken fried with belacan. There. Simple but nice. Okay. So this is our menu for tonight. Ayam goreng belacan. This one, egg fried with lobak batang. And then this one is sambal ikan bilis with bawang bakong. So this is our simple menu for tonight. Hello everybody! Welcome to our channel. So now we want to have our dinner. So this is our simple dinner only. 3 type of menu. Okay. Present also already. We put his food already there. Yeah. So this one is ayam goreng belacan. And this one telur goreng also. Batang lobak.
I don't know spicy.
This one spicy and then some sambal.
Got chili.
Now got chili, but I cannot take this one, okay?
So got soup.
So I wash my hand already just now. So let's eat. Misalnya, ayam goreng belacan with telur goreng lobak.
Why?
Lobak batang.
Why? I don't know.
Dan sambal. Sambal. Sambal already enough already. You already can make tambah nasi biong.
Yeah, nasi.
Still haven't put there. Like you chuck.
Hey, stop.
There, no?
Nah.
Good. Hey.
I read the difference.
That's tea.
That's it.
You got your guys.
So, okay everybody. So we want to eat first. Thank you for watching our video from the start until the end. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.